Welcome to Techie Tech Place, and today I'm very excited to reveal one daily use tool for the developers, which is called Generate SQL Queries. Let's assume you have a set of 1000 records, Excel data records, and you want to generate an update query for those. So how to do that one? It's very easy. I know there are so many other tools in the market, but once you open this openchoiceai.com, you will feel very comfortable and it will generate the queries in seconds. So let's switch to my screen and explain to you how does it works. So you'll go to this hamburger menu here. This is a GraphQL based search engine here. So you can type here SQL. First you open openchoiceai.com and just click on this SQL Query Generator. So UI looks very cool here. So what you need to do, you need to provide your format of data. Let's assume you have the Excel data, okay, and you want to update the records based on ID, okay. So just copy, you prepare the Excel sheet like this, your columns, details and everything. Copy the records. Sorry, this one is, what is this, okay. Just copy these records, okay, and select your, here I would prefer here the Excel Smart Sheet, which identifies the queries very exactly accurate. So the data is not copied properly, guys. So let's copy this data properly, okay, then paste it here. So I pasted it here. So we need to convert this data into CSV file, okay, CSV format. So convert this one to, so the CSV format is converted. Queries are ready already. So there are two options. One is a query builder, another is a preview. So you can check with both. Previews, it generates the data. It's generating the insert query here. But suppose you want to generate the update query, go to update, select here update query, and let's assume you want to update the records based on ID. So you can add ID here in the clause, and what data you want to select it. Select, let's assume you want to update name, email, department. So you select all these. So based on this, queries are already ready here in the previews. You see the update query is ready. And another approach is also here, query builder. So data driven generator is there. Once you go, you have an option to select a preview of the queries. So let's assume I want to update, this time I want to update the records based on email, not the ID. So I'll deselect this, okay, I'll deselect it, I'll select ID in the set field, okay, and I want to update the record based on email. So this will be happen. Suppose you want to remove the email, you want to update the email based on ID, just unselect it here. It creates the just preview and generate all queries. It will create the update query for all 4 records. So this is how you guys can achieve SQL Query Generator for your purpose. If you want to develop such tools, I can develop these tools. Just give me your requirement, small requirement, daily use tools in the comment section, and I'll try to provide into openchoiceai.com. What do you think, guys? Please put your comment into comment sections. Thank you. Welcome to Techie Tech Place, and today I'm very excited